How to generate AI images for free. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can generate AI images for free on your Android. Now first thing, you can go ahead and you can download this application that says Wonder AI Art Generator. So here, once you download it, you want to open it up and you'll get an interface like this here. Now you want to head into the creation option at the bottom left corner of the screen, the creation, and you can see at the top it says enter a prompt. Now if you just want to create an image, you can create an image. However, if you want to create an AI image of yourself including you can tap on add your photo here option, and you can add your picture from here. I'll just choose gallery and I'll see if I have any pictures here. So I'll just choose this picture and I'll crop it, and now I'll just create an AI image. This way you can create an AI image here. It'll load up here. So now the picture is added here. Now once the picture is added here, you want to enter a prompt. So you can add your text here and you want to tap on create at the bottom. You can see you'll have to watch an ad. So I'll just tap on create and watch an ad. So it's taking a couple of minutes to load it. So I've just skipped the process, but that is how you can create an AI image. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.